Hey and good day and welcome in Portorož. We're here in the marina where we have our test center from Greenline Yachts, and today is the day that we finally present you the new Greenline 58 Fly. So we're here now to give you a little walkthrough, and I want to present you the boat in detail, and let's jump on board. Yeah, so we left the marina, as you can see, so we thought it's a nicer walkthrough if we're down here at the sea. So going in on our gangway, the way how you would probably enter the boat, you see we have a beautiful cockpit area, really lots of space, as you can see. There's that table in standard and the two benches. The idea that we had was that you actually can look in each other's eyes while enjoying a drink or having a dinner, and at the same time see the sea, and you don't have to watch inside like on the classical layouts. As an option, there's a table available that would fold out, and you get 4 directors chairs, so you have 8 people seating instead of the now 4 people seating, but where you could still add a chair on the front. So in the cockpit we also have our mooring station. We have the integrated fair leads here, obviously the cleats, and then we have the electric winch from Harken that comes out and supports you while mooring, and then you store all the lines in here. So from the cockpit area we go to the front. We have here really nice and wide protected sidewalks, so really feel safe and secure while going to the front, yourself and the kids and everybody else. And in the front we have a really nice lounge area, so we decided here for the 2 corner seats and another bench here in the back with a backrest, so that you can comfortably sit here with 6, 7, 8 people in the front. At the same time, with a really comfortable mooring area. So we raise it all a bit, and then you have the 65 kilo stainless steel anchor, obviously the leads, and we have here the 24 volt electric anchor winch. Looking at the sunbed area, we integrated here some fold-up headrests. And there's also a bimini that can fold up, but was not sunny enough today to do that. Looking at the pop-up lights to help you reading here. Like on all the Greenlines, we have on the coach roof integrated solar panels. Here we see 3 panels, each 400 watt. So we're talking about 1,200 watt of solar. And there's more solar panels on the coach roof, on the hardtop, I'm sorry. The hardtop has 7 solar panels. So there's another times 7 times 400 watt solar power on board. Walking back to the front, I want to point out also the cutout in the bulwark. That's a Greenline design feature we have on all the boats from 45 feet and up. We also integrated a cleat here, but it's not only design, it also gives you a nice sea view from the VIP cabin that I will show you below deck. Let's walk back to the cockpit. Again, not to forget the side door on the helm station, so it's very easy here to open while you moor sideways, and you have the cleat right next to it, so you really could moor the boat almost alone. In the cockpit we have a nice side door, depending where you moor. If you have a high concrete dock, that's very handy if you moor sideways. And from here, let's have a look to the flybridge. You see already it's a very nice angled staircase, so it's not a typical flybridge ladder. It's really comfortable. Yeah, what can I say? So we have a lounge area here on the side. 2-3 people can sit there. There's another really big lounge area or dining area on the port side. You can fold that table down so you have a more coffee table arrangement and a bit more space. And then here on the front we have a backrest that can be pushed forward or backward. So there's a little sunbed area that you can use while driving on a longer distance. And then the helm station that really comes with all the instruments you need. So we have the Cummins instruments, two 16-inch Simrad plotters. You can also have 19-inch plotters, and then phone chargers, fusion connection, autopilot. We have the stabilizer fins here from Humphrey, throttles, all the controls, even a little solar charger. Let's have a look at the aft of the flybridge. Want to show you the barbecue with a really nice big wet bar with a double barbecue preparation area, sink here, cup holders at the right place, and then obviously storage area, fridge, ice maker, everything that's needed. And in the aft you can place basically anything you want. You can put some towels, or you can put some chaiselons, anything that makes the time in the sun comfortable. On the T-top, already mentioned the solar panels, but it's quite impressive. This boat has 10 solar panels in total. Each panel has 400 watts. That means we have here 4 kilowatt of peak solar power. From flybridge, let's go back down and let's have a look under deck. So let's have a look at the galley. We have a nice Korean worktop here. We start with the appliances with a full-size fridge freezer unit from Miele, followed by the induction stove from Miele, extraction hood on the top, and conventional oven, followed by the dishwasher. So really all the appliances you need for your vacation on board. And then last but not least, the 2-zone Miele wine cooler. And then something really special in that area that is very unique for a 58-footer is this size of storage compartment midships. Just to demonstrate you a bit the size, and I'm 1.92 meters, which is 6'4". I have standing height inside, and this is a full beam storage. On that special version with the skipper's cabin, you get a second entrance to that compartment here on the starboard side, and then you get an exit here next to the fridge. So that locker becomes then the door or the entrance to the skipper's cabin. You can get down there and have an entrance without having to open here the floor hatch. So going further through the saloon, on standard we have here a sideboard with storage. In that version the owner chooses for the sofa, which is an option. And we have a 50-inch TV that goes up and down here. And then a nice and wide dining area with a single cut massive tree table. Getting to the helm station, where the Besanconi helm station seat, nice and comfortable, including armrests. Get cup holder here on the side, cup holders here on the dashboard, and then really all the appliances you need, everything here right behind. And then obviously the side door that allows for an easy entrance and exit. Going down from the main deck to the lower deck, I'd like to show you first the guest cabin. So in this guest cabin we have 2 single beds, but the beauty of that compartment is that you can also offer an office unit, which is probably the only 58 in the market that has an office on offer. So we have at the left side here a desk, and you have a chair, and you have all your appliances for monitor, place for printer and lockers. And this bed becomes then a couch, which you can pull out as a bed, so you still have the possibility that somebody can sleep in here. Going from the guest cabin to the guest head, which is en suite, but also works as a day head. We have a nice big shower, including the rain shower feature. You also have your hand shower, and then obviously a sink, toilet, and everything that's supposed to be. Going to the VIP. Coming into the VIP cabin, you see immediately that you have actually sea view through the coach roof windows due to the cutout in the bulwark. And then additionally through the hull windows. And then you see here the queen size bed with 2 meter by 160. And another feature here on the port side is this vanity table. And then of course lockers on each side and storage below the bed as well. The ensuite bathroom of the VIP head. Again with the shower, including a little seat. Going from the VIP cabin towards the master cabin. And to show you on the way, here's another locker on the passage. And then getting into the master, first you have the master bathroom with shower, raindrop shower, sink and toilet. And then you have a walk-in wardrobe on that side. And you have another storage here with a Miele washer dryer. So this washer dryer you can have in the owner's cabin, but you can also have one in the storage compartment midships that we showed you earlier. And then last but not least, the master cabin. Full beam, nice big hull windows, vanity table here on the side, lots of storage. We have here 4 drawers and 4 lockers on each side, plus the shelves on the back. The whole king size bed below is also a lot of storage area. Then you can get a 40-inch TV on that bulkhead. I think Marco Casali did really a beautiful job here in the design of this wonderful cabin. We used the evening before the boat leaves to Cannes Boat Show to make a little walkthrough for you. We hope you like it, and see you soon.